Which is right for your system is pretty much going to depend on the customer. What's your comfort zone? Okay, we have regular filters which catch maybe 10 to 20% of what goes through it. 10 or 20% let go through it on a 1-inch filter. You can use a pleated filter that's a Mervate, which gets rid of some of the allergens, or you can just use a 4-inch filter. You have more area in which to remove dust. So the filters, and why are they important? Simply because you don't want the dust getting in there and getting on your motors, getting on your squirrel cages, getting on your coils, and more so than anything, you don't want that dust coming through and blowing right back into your house to where you guys are sleeping.